So hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you all are doing good. So if you're new to my channel, do hit the like and subscribe button. And in this video I'm going to explore my college, that is Northern College Pures. So yes, we're gonna explore the Northern College at the Midland Avenue because it has two branches of it. So yeah, let's come with me and stay connected. The outer building of our college, and I'm just standing right in front of the Northern College Pures, so you can come nearby. So here it is, Pures College of Technology. So this is the entrance. And this side, my classmate. He's so shy, so he's just hiding from the camera. Also, he was supposed to support my channel, but actually he's not doing this.
No, of course. Let's have a tour, guys. I am also with you.
Okay. So this is basically the entrance of our college. As you can see, it's Pure College of Technology.
Basically, the security is here, writing the classrooms and the sirs, everything. Yeah, this is the schedule. You see, he has all the schedules of the rooms. On which room the the other person is gonna sit in.
Exactly. Now wear the mask, otherwise he's gonna write our names.
Oh yeah.
So this section is for the security guard, and for us it is mandatory to wear a mask. If in case we didn't wear our mask, he's gonna write the names, and I don't know what are the consequences, but we do wear the mask.
Yeah.
Okay, so now come.
Let me wear the mask.
So ये हमारे security guard है, जो कि आपने देखा.
And see
This is the corridor.
Oh wow.
So beautiful.
It's beautiful condominium view from inside. The condos are looking crazy because of the snow.
This is the view that हम generally आके खड़े हो जाते हैं and we decide कि हमें कहाँ जाना है. So this is like our अड्डा, you can say in Hindi. So basically this is to sanitize our hand, जो कि हम बिल्कुल भी नहीं करते. We're just following the protocols to wear the mask because it is mandatory. Otherwise we don't follow it.
And me, see?
See, just doing everything. And the meeting room of our college.
You also want to vlog about the washrooms? Then you can.
The maintenance room of our college. And of course, this is the women's washroom. So I don't think so यहाँ पे अब जाना चाहिए.
I don't think
The notice board. जो कि we hardly used to see. देखा है कभी notice board पढ़ा है आके? Never. For the first time, I'm seeing it. सब कुछ है वैसा इस कॉलेज में. So don't be get demotivated अगर ये admission मिलता है. It's good. And I think this is for the student lounge and the washroom. That's a men's washroom. And the corridor of our college. And this is our last day. And this is my last day in my college. And I'm so excited as well as bit sad, bit upset because I will not be able to see my friends again. And yes, in the end of the video or in the middle of the video, I'm going to show you the one who is shooting this video. And I met her during the classes in person, and now she became one of my good friends. I don't know, this janitor section.
We never saw it.
And yes, come guys, come. This is the exit, I guess, but still for us it's no entry. And this is where we throw the garbage. So अपना garbage यहाँ फेंकना है. Northern College वाले students, सारा garbage नहीं garbage करो, बैग में रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, so यहाँ से हमारा classroom section start होता है. We have the classes, like you can see the doors on the left hand side. So these are the classes, and you will see more classes in future. So this is one of the class which is all empty. And this is my class and these are my batchmates. You guys can say hi because I'm shooting a video. Hi! This is other classroom. One of our teachers taking the classes. Classes over हो चुकी हैं, तभी classes सारी empty है अब इस समय. And you can see the numbers. Like my classroom was CR9. We see.
So today he's not giving me all the time. And then I showed him. So I told him to give something.
So in this area, this is the water bottle filling section. यहाँ पे हम पानी भरते हैं, जैसे schools में होता है ना कि पानी भरने आते हैं हम. So we fill our water bottle right here. And I think this is for the whole printing area. If you want to print any document, you can use one of these. I haven't used it, but हाँ facility सब है यहाँ पे. These are so many classrooms we have, and this is the another classroom. I think this classroom is also empty. This is another classroom. We have another classroom right here. And this is our storage room. Okay, emergency exit. Let's get back. Okay.
College days are very special for everybody, so as for me. And all the best to my all the batchmates. You guys were amazing, and it was a wonderful day today.
I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do show your love and support just by subscribing my channel, because it's just gonna take you a while, guys, but for me it means a lot. So yes, take care and stay tuned for my next video. Bye and God bless you.
So this college gave me the opportunity to come here in Canada, and no matter what, I'm so thankful to this college, and thankful to all my batchmates. It was a wonderful time with you all. And बस इसी के साथ बहुत सारी यादों के साथ अपनी कॉलेज लाइफ फाइनली it's almost ended, and feeling bit emotional as well, because I don't know when I'm gonna see my college friends again and my class, as I really loved it. Thank you everybody for making it so special. Take care.